Hello friends, in this video, I will guide you through how to fix easy anti-cheat not opening. To start, find the problematic game that requires EC cheat, such as Fortnite or VR chat, and access its local files by right-clicking, managing, and browsing local files. Do the same for the Epic Games Launcher to locate the Easy Anti-Cheat folder, then double-click on it to find the Easy Anti-Cheat setup. Right-click on it and select Properties. Then choose Compatibility Mode with Windows 8 selected and disable Full Screen Optimizations, also selecting to run as an administrator. Apply these changes and launch the game to see if the issue is resolved. If not, search for Services, open the System Settings, and find Easy Anti-Cheat, double-clicking on it to set its startup type to Automatic, and hit Apply and OK. Finally, restart your computer and you're good to go. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.